Hi students, welcome to Sumanth Tutorials. If you have not subscribed my channel, why you are waiting for? Subscribe it and don't forget to share it. If you want any content to be explained, please drop it in a comment box so that it is very easy for me to reach you. So in this session, we are going to study some concept related to the lens, that is sign convention, very important for the exam point of view, followed by lens formula, magnification and power of the lens. Yeah students, so let us start today's discussion with sign convention. So it is very important and it is very easy. Don't be confused, just feel relaxed and listen to my class. To explain that one, I will use a lens, principal axis and a normal. Let me draw an object here. Yeah, I want to know the distance of this object from the lens. So from the lens I am taking this direction because if I want to find the object distance or the image distance, I must measure it from the lens. So object distance is symbolized with the letter U. And observe this one. This is left side to the lens. And if you remember the number line, the things which is going to come left side of the 0 will be considered as a negative. Here also the distance left side to the lens will be considered as negative. So the value of the value of U is always negative. For example, the object is placed at 20 centimeter behind the lens. I repeat. The object is placed at 20 centimeter behind the lens. Then you are going to take the value of U is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Is it clear now? Is it clear? Very good. If it is clear, then now go for image. So if I say image, there are two types. One is real image, another one is virtual image. The image can be caught on a screen is the real image, and the image cannot be caught on a screen, that is virtual image. All real images will going to form on the other side of the lens like this, and all real images are inverted. So we are going to find the distance of the image from the lens, that is symbolized with V, and the things which is going to come next to the lens, and the distance will always be positive. This is for real images. And we know virtual images, that is formed on the same side of the lens or the left side of the lens, that will be considered as negative. For example, if the image is formed is virtual, then that value will be negative. Or the question may, if we get positive value of the image distance, that is real. If we get negative value of the image, then it can be considered as virtual image. Now come to the topic. So distance of object and image is clear now. Now comes with the object height and image height. The object height will always be positive. Why? Which is above the line, above the principal axis. And here also once again when it comes with the image, there are two kind of image, real image and virtual image. Real image will always form below the principal axis. It will be below the principal axis. So the image height will always be negative for real images. And for the virtual images, it will be positive, that you know it. See here, if I consider O as the object height and I as the image height, object height will always be positive, whereas the image height will be positive for the real image and negative for virtual image. And the same concept what I am telling with the sign convention will be the same for the concave lens too. Like convex lens, the sign convention will remain same with the concave lens too, but only one change, that is focal length. So what is focal length? Focal length is the distance between the optic center to the principal focus. That will be always positive for convex lens and negative for concave lens. Remember this one, it is very important. So I will summarize the whole concept in a short term. So object distance always negative, image distance will be positive for real images, object height always positive, image height will always be negative for real images. Clear? And vice versa for the virtual image. Is that clear to all? Okay students, now go for lens formula. Lens formula says that 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is standard and it is fixed. See here, f represents the focal length, v represents the image distance, u represents the object distance. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here, let us study the concept of magnification. Means how much the image is magnified with respect to the object, or how much the image is minimized with respect to the object. That we can easily find out with one formula, that is magnification. Magnification is equal to length of the image, length of the image divided by the length of the object, or you can use the word height of the image divided by the height of the object. Both are same. If the height of the image is I and the height of the object is O, will be equal to V by U. Remember this formula, that is magnification is equal to the length of the image divided by length of the object, nothing but I by O is equal to V by U. Clear? Friends, let us study the power of the lens. Power of the lens. So what the power of the lens defines? The power P will be equal to 1 divided by the focal length of the lens. And the unit of this power is diopter, represented by capital letter D. This power may be positive or may be negative. If it is positive, the lens used is convex. If it is negative, the lens used is concave. Clear? Yes students, if you are clear with those things, so let us solve few numericals based on the content explained. Object of height 4 centimeter placed at a distance 24 centimeter in front of a convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter. What we should find out? We need to find the position of the image as well as its nature. So let us find it. So object height, I had said it is always positive, but the distance should be negative. So it is minus 24 centimeter. And focal length, I said very clearly, focal length of a convex lens is always positive. So what we should find out? First we need to find the value of V. We need to find the value of V. For that we are going to use the formula, that is lens formula, that is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Substitute the value. 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by V, that I don't know, minus of minus 1 by 24. So 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by 24, or 1 by V is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 24, or the value of 1 by V is equal to, so the LCM 8 comma 24 is 8 ones are 8 threes are, so 24 is the LCM, or 1 by V is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 24. So the LCM is 24, so 8 table threes are minus 1, that is 2 by 24, nothing but 1 by 12. So the value of V is equal to 12 centimeter positive. So I said very clearly, if the value of V is positive, the nature of the image is real and inverted. Is it clear? Second question. The object is placed before a concave lens at a distance 10 centimeter having the focal length of 10 centimeter. We need to find the nature, position and size of the image. Okay, done. We can find out. See here, first thing is U is negative. I told you very clearly. Followed by F is also negative. Why? Because the lens we are used here is concave. Then we need to find the value of V question mark as well as magnification question mark. So let us study this one. To find the value of V, first substitute the value for the lens formula, that is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This is the lens formula. Substitute the value, that is 1 divided by minus 10 is equal to 1 by V. I don't know, minus of minus 1 by U. 1 by U, that is 10. Next step, minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by 10, or 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10. So 1 by V is equal to minus 2 by 10, nothing but minus 1 by V, or V is equal to minus 5 centimeter. Students, minus 5 indicates that the image is virtual. So we find out the nature of the image. We need to find its magnification. We know the magnification M is equal to the height of the image divided by height of the object will be equal to V by U. The value we know, substitute it. The value of V is minus 5 and it is minus 10, nothing but half. So it is very clear that the height of the image is half of the height of the object. Clear? Thank you students for your response. Okay students, thank you for your support. Meet you in the next class. Till now, take care, and once again don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care.